Dr. David Bonanno. I'm a clinical psychologist in practice for 14 years in Connecticut. And I am affiliated with Scrub Traps because I know Jared and he's such a great guy. And I think what he's doing is so cool. And then when he asked me if I'd like to be a part of it in any way that I could be, I was really happy to say yes. I guess I would say that it's a really, caring environment, and you have the space to be yourself, and you're really connecting with other people. I think that's a problem for a lot of people with post-traumatic stress disorder, and that they are unable to connect. And this is a way to actually literally connect with people. You get oxytocin, and Jared runs the show in such a good, constructive, productive way that I think, some boxing clubs are better than others. And I would say that what makes the good ones good is that you have people who really care about each other, and they're trying to learn and relate and go through life together. And I would say that this would probably do it better than any of those. It's a real way for people to feel like they belong, which is really important, especially for young people. It's such a positive vibe all around. It is a way to discharge a lot of adrenaline and aggression, I think, in ways that are really constructive. I think a lot of times what kids really need to learn is how to use aggression constructively and appropriately. And this is definitely a method for being able to teach that. Not everybody responds all that well to traditional talk therapy. I think that whatever you focus on, you magnify. And in talk therapy, you kind of have to just go over all the problems that you have and all the worst stuff that you've ever been. And so if somebody isn't really responding all that well, for example, oftentimes adolescent boys just aren't really all that verbal and articulate. And if you can give them a way to sort of help them even escape their life for a little bit, I think that is healthy. And to be able to do it in such a healthy, constructive, positive way is really useful. So yeah, for certain kids, I would definitely recommend Scrub Scraps even over therapy. I don't want to get in trouble for saying that, but I think it's really has its place in terms of helping young people out.